Okay, now we are going to discuss how to draw a rectilinear plane figure using a set square and a straight edge. Right? What are the rectilinear plane figures? In grade 6 we have studied the rectilinear plane figures. Right? These are the rectilinear plane figures. What is the name of this figure? Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium. So these are the rectilinear plane figures. That means a figure completely bounded by a straight line segments. Right? Those are the rectilinear plane figures. So what are the properties of these rectilinear plane figures? Can you remember the properties? Square. What are the properties? All sides are equal in length and all angles are right angles. Here, a rectangle. What are the properties? All sides are opposite sides are equal in length and all angles are right angles. What about the rhombus? All sides are equal in length and opposite sides are parallel to each other. What about the parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal in length and also opposite sides are parallel to each other. Trapezium, only one opposite side is parallel to each other. Right? Those are the properties of these rectilinear plane figures. Now we are going to draw these rectilinear plane figures by using a ruler and also a set square. Right? So first we are going to draw a square. A square side length equal 4 centimeter. Right? Now I am going to draw a square side length equal 4 centimeter by using a ruler and set square. So here you have to remember the properties of a square. What are the properties? All sides are equal in length and all angles are right angles. So remember that. Okay, what is the first step? I am going to draw a line segment and mark a point as A. A or B. You can use any letter, right? Okay, A. Then I am going to measure a 4 centimeter from the point A. Why? Because the side length is 4 centimeter. So here I am going to measure 4 centimeter. Okay, this is the point. I mark this as B, right? So then I have to draw a perpendicular lines at the point A and also at the point B. Why? Because the all angles are right angles in a square. So therefore, I have to draw a perpendicular line segments at the point A and at the point B. So use your set square to draw a perpendicular line segment. Keep the set square lies on the AB line segment. Okay, now draw a line to this edge. Same method at the point B. Keep the set square like this. This edge should be lies on the AB line. And draw a line like this. And here from the point A, you have to measure another 4 centimeter. Why? Because the side length of this square is 4 centimeter. So that's why I am going to measure another 4 centimeter at the point A through this line. 4 centimeter here. This is the point. I mark this as D. And also here 4 centimeter. Because the all sides are equal in length. Right. This point C. Then join the C point and D point like this. So this is a complete diagram. This is a rectilinear plane figure. And what is the name of the rectilinear plane figure? It's a square, right? Why? Because these all angles are right angles and all sides are equal in length. That means 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. You can measure this line. Yes, 4 centimeter. Now okay, these angles are right angles. So this is a square. Then we are going to draw a rectangle. Rectangle. Length equal 5 centimeter and breadth equal 3 centimeter. Okay, let's start. First, draw a line segment like this and mark point as A. Then, before that, you have to remember the properties of a rectangle. What are the properties? Opposite sides are equal in length, right? This side is equal to this side in length and this side is equal to this side in length, right? And all angles are also right angles. Okay, now draw a line like this and mark the point A. Then I am going to measure 5 centimeter from the point A. 5 centimeter. Here is the point. I marked it as a B. It's a 5 centimeter length. Okay, then use the previous method. You have to draw a perpendicular line segment at the point A and also at the point B. So use your set square. Keep the set square like this. Same way. Draw a line. And here also. This point, right? This point should be on the point B, right? Okay, then draw a line like this. Then I am going to measure 3 centimeter at the point A along this line. Why 3 centimeter? Because the breadth is 3 centimeter. So I am going to measure here 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter is the point. Here also 3 centimeter. Why? Because the opposite sides are equal in length. Okay, this point as C, this point is D. Then join the C point and D point. What is this length? 3 centimeter. This length also 3 centimeter. Can you tell what is the length of this line segment? We will measure. It should be 5 centimeter. Okay, that's correct. 5 centimeter. Right? So these angles are also right angles. Okay, this is a rectangle.